What's your biggest challenge as a school leader? Like you have been principal and teacher since a long time. So what is something that you face a lot and it's quite a challenge to you?
As a leader.
Yeah.
Okay. So balancing academics and holistic development of children. That is, academics is a necessity in the school. Like school is about academics and studies.
Yeah.
But holistic development is also a very important part of what the school has to deliver to the children. But then there has to be a balance, because we have to do justice to academics also. We have to do justice to the personality, to the grooming, to the upbringing of the child as well. The behavior, the intellectual growth, the personality growth is also has to be taken care of. So maintaining a balance between these two is a challenge. But it's all a part of the game, and we do enjoy doing it.
Yeah. So, ma'am, what is your vision for the school in the next 5 years, in the next upcoming years that the
How
school
you
will
see
do?
a school growing up?
Talking about JMD,
Yes.
my vision is definitely that each and every child moving out of JMD, passing out class 12th and moving out of the school, has to be like a holistic, completely with full holistic development, and a child who's capable in and can take a place in any of the fields of their choice. They should be settled in due course of time. They should be settled in their life, and that should be provided by the school. That capability to adjust and acquaint themselves to the surroundings wherever they go. That is what the school has to make sure that the child is
That's exactly
settled
the
on
motive
that
of
point.
the school are.
Sorry?
That's exactly the motive of a school.
That is our school motto as well. And very important is, I would like each and every child to go on that stand. It's just not a selected lot of students. I take it as my own personal responsibility to make sure that each and every child is given complete care in school.